two classic American vehicles from two very different worlds. The 1956 Mercury Montclair. The 1959 Chevrolet Apache panel truck, and which one is cheaper? 1956 Mercury Montclair. Cars were not just transportation, they were symbols of success. During this era, offering luxury without reaching the highest price tier. Comfort and prestige. Heavy chrome accents, wide grilles. Proportions that made the car inside. The Montclair delivered a true luxury experience for its time. And a large steering wheel created a calm and relaxed driving atmosphere. Engine character and driving feel. Mercury Montclairs were equipped with a naturally aspirated V8 engine. Acceleration was gentle. Engine sound was deep and refined. Driving the Montclair feels like steering a land yacht. It's stable. Pros. 1956 Mercury Montclair. High comfort for a classic car. Excellent show car and collector value. Cons. 1956 Mercury Montclair. Large size makes it impractical in modern cities. Maintenance requires patience and rare parts. Price. 1956 Mercury Montclair. $20,000 US. 40,000 plus. Interim conclusion. Elegance and lifestyle, not logic. One is a luxury cruiser from the 1950s. The other is a hard-working classic truck. Which one is more valuable today? Watch until the end. The year 1956 was part of the golden age of American automobiles. Optimism and style. The Mercury Montclair stood proudly as a bridge between Ford and Lincoln. The Mercury Montclair was designed for drivers who wanted elegance. Its exterior featured long, flowing body lines and classic 1950s. Looked like it was gliding even when parked, wide bench seats. A metal dashboard with chrome details. This car was built for smooth cruising, not aggressive driving. Most 1956. Focused on smooth power delivery rather than outright speed. And the suspension was soft, perfect for long highway drives. Comfortable, and designed to isolate passengers from the road. Elegant and iconic 1950s design. Smooth and character-rich V8 engine. Strong nostalgic and emotional appeal. Very poor fuel economy. Almost no modern safety features. Not designed for sporty performance. Current classic car market value. Depending on condition and originality. The Mercury Montclair is a car of emotion. Frame off, nut and bolt restored. Mercury 312ci V8. Automatic. PS. PW. Power top. 1956 Mercury Montclair. VIN. 56 LA24818M. Check out this gorgeous 1956 Mercury Montclair. This Mercury has been frame-off, nut and bolt restored with high attention to detail. Take a look at the blue and white. Two-tone paint finish with the light. Blue vinyl power convertible top. Fender Skirts, chrome bumpers. Polished trim and 15-foot wheels wrapped in Wide White BFGoodrich Tires. Under the hood sits a Mercury 312ci V8 engine with a Factory Style Carburetor. Power is sent to the rear tires through a Merc-O-Matic. 3-speed automatic transmission and a factory-style rear end.